Hi everybody, welcome to the Colors of Beauty by Elle. I'm Isabel. Welcome back and welcome all my new subscribers. This is going to be a really quick video. I wanted to invite you guys to come and take a look at my collabs group videos. They did a great Halloween collab on Happy Halloween collab. It's a mouthful to say, right? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the link below, and that's the only thing you'll see down there. It's just the link to the playlist that they did, and it's a great video to watch for a collab for this time of year for Halloween. Go see what everybody has going on in their hauls, and I think you guys will enjoy it a lot. I was not a part of it, unfortunately, because I was away and I didn't have my setup, and and it was just not in the cards for me this time around, but that doesn't mean I can't enjoy the videos, right? You guys go and enjoy them and watch them. Click on the link and you will get a playlist of all my friends doing their collabs and their hauls. Go take a look. You might see something you like and you don't want to miss it. So yeah, I want to thank Rosa for doing the collaboration with all the ladies, and I want to thank Anne for doing all the technical work behind the collab. So thank you very much, ladies. So here we go. Go on. You know you want some Halloween. And thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Tell all the ladies that Isabel sent you and I said, hey, happy Halloween.